Hi, good morning. We are here in Carteret Bazaar. You can see that this is the Desi grocery, Indian, Pakistani, Bangladesh, and American grocery. It's, this is the turnpike. You can come from the turnpike and you see the McDonald there, and this is the auto zone and home furniture, and in the middle they have the grocery shop, and on the corner they have the T-Mobile store, and we are going inside. Is the vegetable and whole Indian, Pakistani and Bangladesh grocery. They accept the EBT card also. You can see over here. This is the entrance. This is the opening. Monday, Thursday, 9 to 9. Okay, Sunday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, this is the timing. The mask is required inside. This is the juice, all kind of juice you have available. Okay, this is the cake ras. This is cake ras. Okay, this is the all kind of cookies. Lot of stuff over here. Yeah. All the biscuits. This is the namak pare. This is the all kind of, this is the rus up there. It's so good. This is the biscuit. A lot of different kind of biscuit you have. This one is the Juan. This one is the you can see it's so good. The water also available here. And this is the dairy. You have the Desi natural yogurt. All kind of sabzi veg. Cento here. This is the spinach. All kind of cheese also available here. This is the frozen items. You can see that this is the ice cream. That's the orange ice cream. It's really good. This is the frozen items, pronta, samosas, and a lot of stuff. This is the frozen vegetable, the spinach. This is the green peas, and this is the veggie pakoda also is frozen. Okay, this one is the dairy milk. All kind of milk they have available in here. Okay, this is the water. This is the onion. All kind of onion is available here. And this one is the chips for the kids. See, it's very nice. Okay, this one is the beans. All kind of beans is available here. This is the chickpea. It's a lot of variety over here. Okay, this one is this is the tray. The prices is over there is very cheap. It's very nice prices over here. Like that prices you can get on the big stores. Yeah. You can see this one is all stuff is available. This is the special cookies. This is the ras malai and the gulab jamun, and this one is the pineapple. This one is tissue papers available. It's lot of stuff is available. Yeah, this one is the masala, something like that. This one is jeera. Yeah, this is the different kind of tea. This is ginger tea. This is masala tea. All kind of masala teas is available. This is the regular tea. Yeah. And this one is Suji Gold. I don't know what you say that one. This one is the bread, sweet bread. Yeah, this is the all kind of teas also available. This one is a Wagah bakery. This is the premium tea. Yeah, this one is Rooh Afza they have available here, and it's a lot of stuff. You can see the big view. It's a good store for the desi grocery. Yeah. All kind of flowers is available. This one is all Indian flowers, desi flower. This is chakki atta, royal. This is they have the stock in there. This one is the vegetable. Flowers. जी पाजी की हाल है? ठीक हो? कैसा स्टोर अच्छा लगा है? इट्स वेरी गुड। ओके, कुछ लोगों को बताना चाहेंगे?
ज़्यादा तो ज़्यादा जहाँ पे शॉपिंग करने आनी चाहिए, तो डील भी अच्छी होती है, सारा कुछ।
हाँ, डीलिंग इनकी बहुत अच्छी है।
बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़िया,
बहुत अच्छी है। आप किधर रहते हैं? कार्टर में रहते हैं?
यही
कार्टर। थैंक यू सो मच। तो ऑल काइंड ऑफ राइस इज अवेलेबल। दिस इज द राइस। ये some it's a carpet. It's so good here. This is the different kind of karakari something. It's available here also. You see, this one is the basmati chawal rice. All kind of rice is available. Let's see, this one is a different kind of parts used in the kitchen. It's the kitchen stuff. All of them is a kitchen. This is the jug. This one is so nice. This is so beautiful. So nice, so beautiful. This one is really good. I love that one. Yeah. This one is the for the sugar. All stuff is available here on the one place. This one is the for the laundry and for the bathroom stuff. This is for kitchen, and all kind of soap is available, like the sabun. This is the sugar, Punjabi sugar. It's so nice, that one. All kind of the beans available here. All kind of beans available. You can see that one. On this side is the masalas. This one is corn flour. What's that? This is a char.
This
Yes,
is
different kind of a char.
butter chicken.
Yeah, this is the lamb sweet pickles. This is the pickle achar. Everything is available here. This is a different kind of masalas. You can see. Yeah. I make the video because in New Jersey, it's a lot of desi groceries, but this one is the best. That one is all kind of masalas here. It's so nice here. See, this is the custard, firni mix, kheer mix. It's a lot of stuff. This one is the zira seeds. All kind of seeds is available. You can see. This one is the kusuri methi. This is the methi. You can see it's so nice. Achar available. This one is sugar, premium sugar. This is salt. All kind of. Yeah. This one is common seeds. This is the masalas. This is the cinnamon powder. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff here. This is the gur. Punjabi wadi is a gur. The special gur. This is the sesame seeds. This is the spice like the red chili. It's a lot of basins. They have the lot of basin, different kind of basins. That is good. On this side is the sugar, dal, everything is available. This is the desi ghee. This one is very nice. They have the available everything. Vegetables. This is the seeds of the vegetable. Yeah. One more time I visit you guys. Is the very good visit for the store. This one the vegetable. This one is the karele. This is chutney. This is okra. This one is tomato. All kind of onion is available. Hi, how are you? How's everything good? Okay, you have the special discount for the special customers?
Yeah, we do have.
Okay. Okay, this is the best store in the Carteret. You can see. You want to say something about the people? How they come in here. You give the special service.
Yes, every time we give the special discount. This is our pamphlet. You can check this one. So here it is, the special offer. If you purchase for $60, we're gonna give 5% discount to them. And if you
Okay.
purchase for $75, there is draw system. There are 6 draws. The first prize is
Okay,
gold
the
chain.
draw system is every month. Is every.
Yeah, it's every month. Like you can say, otherwise once in 45 days. So this type. The first prize is gold chain. The last time Mrs. Jyoti, she got the gold chain.
Okay.
And the second prize is LED, and the third is microwave. The fourth one is pressure cooker, and the fifth one is sandwich toaster, and the last prize is $30 coupon. You can,
that's good.
yeah.
That's really good.
There are 6 prizes. The last time there were 3 prizes, but this time.
What date of the every month they?
So it depends. Now this time it will be on 5th of September.
September 5th. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Your store is so good. I visit all the store. I see the everywhere.
Yeah.
It's
Now
so good.
everything, all vegetables, all fruits, the grocery, everything is available here.
It's so good for the Carteret people. The people live in the Carteret. It's
and
so
also
close.
there is the delivery is also free. If you
Oh, it's the
purchase
delivery. Is
yeah,
it
delivery is also.
$50?
If you purchase for $50, the delivery
The
is
free
free.
delivery for the in the Carteret only, right?
Yes, in the Carteret. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Here is the customer. It's really good. They have the ice cream also. Different kind of ice cream. Juices also. Thank you so much for watching. This is the best store. Please visit this store anytime. I told you the opening hours also. Thank you so much. ये कस्टमर हैं जनाब सगीर अहमद साहब, इनने शॉपिंग की है यहाँ पे, और आप स्टोर के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहिए, कैसा फील होता है यहाँ पे आज?
इनकी डीलिंग बड़ी अच्छी है। मैंने स्टोर को चेक किया, विज़िट किया, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें अपनी ज़रूरत की दी हैं, तो हर एक चीज़ अवेलेबल है और बस इनकी डीलिंग भी बड़ी अच्छी है। आकर खुशी हुई है दिल को, और जो चीज़ें मुझे चाहिए थी वो सारी अवेलेबल है, मिली हैं। थैंक यू।
आपका कस्टमर रिलेशन कैसा है? आप कस्टमर से इट्स लाइक बात
हमें एक्चुअली हम ये चीज़ करते हैं कि कस्टमर को हर तरह से कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड हो, जो चीज़ उसको चाहिए हो। कई बार यहाँ पे लेंस में उसको मिलती नहीं है, तो हम खुद वहाँ पे जाके अगर यहाँ पे कस्टमर तो पूछते हैं कि आपको कुछ हेल्प करें, आपको क्या चीज़ चाहिए।
अगर किसी कस्टमर को कोई चीज़ आपके पास नहीं है तो फिर ऑर्डर करते हैं।
फिर अगर हमारे पास वो चीज़ नहीं है, हमारे पास यहाँ पे ऑर्डर बुक है, हम उस
Okay.
ऑर्डर बुक में लिख लेते हैं, और उस टाइम पे कस्टमर बोल देते हैं कि आपके घर पे ये चीज़ डिलीवर हो जाएगी, आप हमें
That's
लिखवा
good. That's really
दीजिए,
good.
हम आपके घर पे ये डिलीवर कर देंगे। ये चीज़ हम करते हैं।
थैंक यू सो मच।
You're most welcome.
तो मैं कार्टर के लोगों से भी बोलूँगा कि आप
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
शॉप विज़िट करें, आपको अच्छी सर्विस मिलेगी, अच्छी चीज़ें मिलेंगी, आपको एडिसन या दूसरी जगहों पे जाने की
बिल्कुल
जरूरत
बिल्कुल
नहीं है।
ज़रूरत नहीं है, अब तो बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं, क्योंकि हर चीज़ हमने यहाँ पे अवेलेबल की है।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।